Former Ekiti State Governor Dr. Kayode Fayemi has cautioned that the economic community of West African states risks sliding into irrelevance if it continues to operate as an elite club of rulers disconnected from the realities and aspirations of its citizens. Fayemi issued the warning while delivering remarks at the second edition of the African Political Square, an expert meeting on alternative futures for ECOWAS at 50 held in Abuja. He called for a fundamental reinvention of the regional body, stressing that ECOWAS urgently transform from a leaders-driven institution into a citizen-centered community capable of tackling poverty, inequality, insecurity, and governance failures.
While it is understandable that many citizens are frustrated with civilian governments that have failed to deliver on governance and security, we should also not mince words that military rule is not a viable alternative in tackling governance deficits. History has shown that military regimes do not provide sustainable solutions. In fact, in the 3 countries that have now exited ECOWAS, terrorism and insecurity have worsened since the military took over there.
The former governor also expressed concern over the region's worsening insecurity, advocating for a comprehensive human security strategy to effectively combat terrorism and insurgency across West Africa.
What is needed is a more sophisticated intelligence-based approach combined with efforts to address the underlying social and economic drivers of insecurity. We need a comprehensive human security strategy that deals with issues of poverty, inequality, and governance failures which extremist groups continue to exploit.
In his remarks, the president of the ECOWAS Commission, Dr. Omar Aliu Toure, represented by the Commissioner for Public Affairs, Peace and Security, Dr. Abdel Fattah al-Nusra, noted that West Africa stands as a critical juncture in its evolution, grappling with the twin crises of democracy and security.
You look across Africa, West Africa is the region with most of the phones and the phones, Anglophone, Lusophone, Francophone. You go to the SADC region, majority are Anglophone. ECOWAS had a very big challenge bringing all, these different political experiences, colonial experiences together.
Speakers at the event further emphasized the need for Africans, especially the youth, to rise to the challenge and choose the path of democratic renewal over military dictatorship as the region seeks a more stable and inclusive future. CNN News.